So let's unbox it. First, should I taste the sweet or the salt? Hi friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox, review and taste two of Amul's most famous and favorite packed frozen food. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the two things we have today, one is in sweet, that is Amul Rasmalai, and another is in salty, that is Amul Happy Treats French fries. So let's unbox it and taste it. So this is the Amul Rasmalai packet. The outer packet is made up of paper, nice attractive picture with nice pistachio color, and here MRP is 200 rupees for 500 grams, but I ordered it from Big Basket and I got it for 175 rupees. This stays good for around 12 months if it is stored under minus 18 degrees Celsius. Now let me open this and show you. So this is what it looks inside. This is a plastic tray over here with a plastic lid. Yeah, and here you will again get a sealed plastic wrapper. So here comes the process of thawing the rasmalai. Now let me tell you how you can thaw it. Although the direction of serving and the recommendation of thawing are already mentioned here, but let me share with you. Basically, there are three processes to thaw it. First one, for immediate use, is what you can do. You can give it a hot bath for 10 minutes. Like in a container, you place hot water and the water level should be lower than the top level, and keep it for 10 minutes and then you can consume it. Meanwhile, when it is there inside the hot water, try to shake it little bit so that the milk syrup spreads evenly. Second one is little time taking. What you can do, from the freezer you can keep it in the refrigerator in the lower chambers for 1 or 2 days. That will also naturally thaw it and also keep it chilled. Third one is super fast. You can remove this plastic wrap here or the plastic seal over here and keep it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. After that you can serve it hot, or if you want you can chill it in the refrigerator and eat it. So now I will leave it to thaw naturally in my room temperature, and then we will go to the French fries. For French fries, this is 425 grams, whose MRP is 68 rupees. But again, I ordered from Big Basket and I got for rupees 60 only. This also you can store up to 18 months if you store it under minus 18 degrees Celsius. And for this, we don't have to thaw it. We can just directly deep fry it or bake it in oven or air fryer and consume it. After you have consumed your required quantity, you can again seal it or wrap it properly and put it in the freezer. So let's unbox it. How it looks from inside. So here are our frozen French fries and the oil is hot now. Now slowly we'll add to it. Be careful while putting this in the hot oil. So it's been 3 minutes. Now let's remove it from the oil. Wow, nice crispy French fries is ready. Oh wow. Now it's completely thawed. Let's remove this seal. So this is our rasmalai. Nice creamy rasmalai or milk syrup, condensed, creamy with lots of dry fruits. I think it's only pistachio here. Okay, now let's take it out in a plate. We'll have one cheese ball here and some syrup. There are total 8 number of cheese balls here, and this is nice, decent for a family of 4 to enjoy this rasmalai. So now I will test it and let you know how it's. So with rasmalai, our french fries are also ready. So what to taste first? Should I taste the sweet or the salt? I will go with the salt first. So let's taste the french fries. Wow. So let me try with some tomato ketchup. Wow. So crispy and nice. You can add salt or spices if you want, but I like as it is, and it's really crispy and nice, and it doesn't feel like it's frozen. It's very fresh. Sorry guys, I can't stop eating. And with the mayo, it tastes even better. This is the last one. Please don't mind. Wow. So from my side, it's a thumbs up for Amul frozen French fries. It's really nice and I really enjoyed having it. Let's try the sweet now. So I'm not a great fan of sweets, truly speaking, but let's see how this turns out. So I'm taking this. Oh my god, it's so soft. You can see it's so soft, spongy, and it's completely juicy. So I'm going to have it with the pistachio. Oh my god. The cheese ball is literally melting in the mouth, and the syrup, this rasmalai, this malai here. Wow, it's so nicely sweetened. It's not overpowering the sweetness like we get it in any confectionery. Nice, mild, sweet. And the taste of the rasmalai is so creamy, so smooth, and it has also got a nice, flavor of pista in itself, other than the nuts. Some infused flavor of the pistachio. Really, I'm going to complete this. Wow. Like, these two are a treat for myself, and I really enjoyed having this too. And it doesn't seem like this is frozen. Like, super yummy, super tasty, and this french fries, wow. One last thing, friends, before I end this video. Once you have thawed these rasmalais, please consume it within 24 hours. Keep it in the refrigerator, but please try to consume it within 24 hours. Do not refrigerate. And that's it, friends. So I hope you have enjoyed unboxing, reviewing, and tasting these two yummy delicacies in frozen from Amul. I enjoyed a lot having this, and I also enjoyed filming this for you. I hope you have also done that. If you have done, then please like the video, share with your friends and family, comment down below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, let's live, connect, and grow. Bye.